Are your localized UI toolkit apps crashing due to the Uitools Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. While we explore the technical guide for Uitools Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Uitools Library, a generic UI tools helper. It provides unmanaged routines for custom widget rendering and UI layout orchestration. It manages the visual manifestation of specialized buttons and menus within third-party software suites. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Uitools is a third-party application file associated with Localized UI Toolkit. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of Localized UI Toolkit will restore the correct version of this file. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Uitools library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Uitools Library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Uitools library-related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Uitools library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.